Before we begin, here are a few things you need. 1. A Canva Pro account. Unfortunately, this feature is not available in the free version. 2. The font file you want to upload, either in .otf, TTF, or .waf format. Once you're logged into your Canva account, navigate to the Brand section. You can find this on the left-hand side menu. Then click Brand Kits. In the Brand Kit section, scroll down to find the Fonts area. Click on the Add New button, then upload a font. Locate your font file on your computer, select it, and click Open. Now that your font is uploaded, let's use it in a design. Create a new design or open an existing one. Then, select a text box and click on the Font drop-down menu. Search for the uploaded font and select it. If you encounter any issues, here are a few tips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.